Assalamu alaikum. You can learn Arabic alphabet just by watching this video. In the second part of the video, I will tell you how to memorize it faster. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Ha, Waw, Ya, Hamza. How to memorize Arabic alphabet very quickly. You should pay the attention to the fact that the letters in Arabic alphabet are joined in special groups. For example, Ba, Ta, Tha. The difference is in the amount and the position of the dots. Sin, Shin. The only difference is in the 3 dots over Shin letter. Sod, Dod. The only difference is in the dot over dot letter. And so on. You should look through the alphabet and find the groups of the letters. It will help you to memorize the alphabet much faster. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Subscribe to see more.